kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone, welcome back to At Home with Lisa. Hi lovebugs, welcome back to the channel. So today you all, I am working with a few things, a few new things. One, as you can see, I'm working with a microphone, okay? So let's see if that's gonna work out. And then two, I have my camera set up a different way as well too. So hopefully it's going to all work out. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I so appreciate you guys for tuning in on today. And if you like this type of content, which is home decor, home styling, DIYs, and some lifestyle. So if this is your type of content, you have come to the right place. But don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you will be notified every time that we drop a video your way. Now, if you're returning, welcome back. You guys know we cannot do this without you all. You all are it, okay? So you guys, we are here today to do a DIY. We are going to be making a spring floral arrangement that you could utilize in your kitchen, your bedroom, your bathroom, your office, wherever you think it would fit. You can use it there because it's going to be versatile. You can use it in any space in your home. So without further ado, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, or if you took something away from it, and leave some comments down below so I know what you thought of this video. So let's get into it. So first off, I am going to use this cute little let's see, base, I guess, that I bought from Home Goods. It has the bunnies around it, or you know what, you could also call this a candle holder as well too, because we have the glass base that goes on top here. So this is what it's going to look like in the beginning, okay? Now, the first thing I think I'm going to add, let me see what is going to be better. I think I'm going to go ahead and add two of my round styrofoam pieces in the bottom. I'm going to add those there. Then I'm going to add some grass. I apologize for the rattling in advance. And I purchased this from Hobby Lobby, the grass. Okay, so I'm changing already because I want that to be covered. I don't want that to be seen. So let's try to put the grass in the bottom first. I probably should have used my green styrofoam pieces because I think it's still going to be seen, but let's see. Well, you know what? Let's start all over, y'all. Let's start with our first plan, because what I can do is I can wrap this grass around it. Yes, 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 y'all. The brain is working a little slow today. Let's go ahead and grab some of this grass and put around it. And then we can just put it in, and then we can stuff some more greenery in there. Okay, see y'all, I covered it up. You can't see it. And I can stuff more down on the side to cover it up. But the next time, use a darker color like a green, so that way you won't see it through there, and then you won't have to worry about that, because I still see a lot of the white, you guys. But that's okay. I'm going to get it. It is a work in progress, and I ask you guys all the time to trust the process. Grass is always messy, y'all. Always messy, messy, messy. Okay, you all, so I have all of the white foam covered. And some of you may be asking, why are you using the white foam? That is because I'm going to add some florals in here in hopes that it works out the way I want it to. So we're going to be using some of these florals, or all of these florals. This is what we have here. So we're going to be using those. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this put together. Okay, so I had to grab my wire cutters, you all. So I'm just going to cut these and stick them in. And I'm taking the green leaves off, I hope. That's what I plan to do, but wait. They are so pretty and glittery. Has that glitter shine to them, y'all. Should I let it stay on there? I think so. So what I want to do is use that styrofoam to be able to stick those down in there. So I'm clipping these off. Then we have some yellow ones as well. And these came from the Dollar Tree. I picked these up from the Dollar Tree. And I really just want to put the flowers here in the back. Let me put them down, see if that'll look better. So y'all, I'm just really excited for this vase. I want to take the greenery off, the green leaves off. I'm excited for this vase. I didn't know what I was going to do with it. I've had so many different thoughts, but I wanted to try to be as creative as I possibly could with it, being that it is springtime. So you want to bring out the spring colors. Cut that a little bit more. Have you all started decorating for spring? Leave it down in the comment section and let me know what y'all got going on. Okay, I think I want to add some of these pretty eggs here. And they came from the Dollar Tree as well too. And y'all, I'm just trying things out here. I don't know if it's going to stay. Trying some things out. I have another one of these. I have a vision. Y'all. I have a vision. Let's see if this vision is going to work out. I was glad these didn't have any leaves on it. I'm not seeing my vision come through yet, y'all, okay? So just bear with me. These lilies are so pretty. And like I said, all these florals, they came from the Dollar Tree. Sometimes you could grab some really nice ones out of there. And other times, But let's see if I can get this back on and did it actually break. Most flowers, you could pull it off and it'll go back on. I think I got the wrong end. Let's see, y'all. Let's see if we can get it back. Yep, got it back in. It is a little difficult to get the floral down in this thing, so let me cut the bottom off a little bit more. Y'all be patient with me. I'm gonna get it now. Y'all know I always say I struggle with these floral arrangements, but I'm gonna get it today. We gonna do the darn thing, okay? I want some pink ones, and I didn't. There was no reason why I chose these florals that I have. I just thought they were pretty. They ain't cooperating though. They're a little hard to work with. They keep coming off, but I guess that's a part of the child. Have you all started decorating for the spring? I might have asked y'all that already, but just let me know down in the comment section. Okay, you all, so I just been playing around with the little picks and florals from the Dollar Tree. So I guess it looks okay for right now. That's what it's looking like. And I think I'm going to add some eggs in here, and then maybe a few more pieces. I may add some more lilies because I like the way the lilies are looking here. Looking really, really nice. So it's looking very spring, and I like it. So all right, you guys, thank you all so much for tuning in. Let me go ahead and do my finishing touches as I always do, and I will be back with the reveal so you guys can see the final of this spring floral arrangement. All right, y'all, don't go nowhere. I'm coming back. Don't go nowhere because y'all want to see this, okay? Y'all want to see this, so don't go nowhere, okay? I'll be back. All right, you all, I am all done, and this is what it's looking like. I think it is cute. I am loving this vase here with the egg, the bunnies on the side. I keep saying eggs, but the bunnies on the side, it looks like they're holding the tray. And then, as you guys saw, we added the styrofoam, the round styrofoam plates in here, and then we added the greenery, and we added the different florals as you can see, and we added some eggs in here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it where I'm going to have it at the current time, and then y'all gonna be free to go. I thank y'all so much for tuning in, but just hold tight. Let me go ahead and place it. So this is where I'm placing it on my kitchen countertop behind my faucet. It may not stay here. I might move it, but for now, this is where it is. I like it. I like it a lot. This is absolutely beautiful. But I love it. Look at those bunnies, y'all. They are so stinking cute. All right, you guys. Again, thank you all so much for tuning in on today. I know this video wasn't that long because it doesn't take that long to do a simple and easy DIY of a floral arrangement. So I hope that you guys were able to take something from it, do a recreation or recreate your own DIY floral arrangement in your space for the spring. Well, all right, y'all, please don't forget to give that big thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. And At Home with Lisa will see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
We at home